Hey everyone, TechBarn back with another video, and today we'll be showing you guys what we carry in our camera bag. Unlike most bag setups, we don't actually use a camera bag anymore. Our camera bag used to be a $30 Amazon Basics sling bag, which did the job perfectly fine. And we may end up doing a review on it, so stick around to see if that happens. But also a fun fact is we got it signed by Linus Media Group cinematographer Brandon at LTX 2019. Anyways, back to our current setup. We are currently using our school backpack, a super basic Herschel backpack. The reason we chose this is because of its rugged feel and durability. Although it may not have the conventional slots that you would get with normal camera bags, it works perfectly fine for our use. Now, when it comes to our camera of choice, we use the Lumix G85. Our lens of choice is the 7 Artesian 25mm. However, we also bring the kit 12 to 60mm in case we need wider shots. As you can see, our camera is equipped with a third-party battery grip because we find that the G85's grip is a bit too small. We have a review on the battery grip on our channel as well if you'd like to check it out and get more information. Then we also have the Apurture M9 light. It is a really great key light because of its compact nature and the really good white quality. It lasts super long and I highly recommend this light. In addition, we have two RGB lights. One is a strip and the other is a floodlight. They're normally used in a darker situation when we want to set a moody scene. We also have our tech organizer where we store our cables and our hard drives to make it a lot more accessible when we want to find something. Lastly, we have redundancy accessories such as extra batteries for the G85. This one is by Newmowa and it's pretty well made. We also have an excessive amount of SD cards, as you could probably tell. While writing the script, we realized how much stuff we actually have that could help budget filmmakers. So if you're interested in taking a deeper look into any of these products that we mentioned above, please let us know in the comment section below and we will gladly make an in-depth review on that item. And you can also stick around by clicking the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content such as these. We hope you enjoyed this different style of video. We're currently trying to expand our content in a new and broader demographic to attract more of an audience. Thanks for watching. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe. This has been TechBarn, and we'll see you on the next video.